Welcome everybody to 4th of July weekend. Well, at least here in the States. So what does this mean? Well, it simply means we're going to throw down some Milorganite. Wait, I don't have any Milorganite because you can't find it anywhere. Thanks, people. But that's okay because I have something better. I was lucky enough to be able to get my hands on some of that 818 X-GRN from Carbon Earth. If you don't know about them, well, you can check out their channel right here. This stuff is supposedly supposed to be super awesome. We're going to find out really soon because I'm going to drop it down. Now this stuff here is a greens grade prill, so smaller prills equals bigger thrills. Put that into a hashtag, why don't you? We're going to drop that down. However, before I do that, I need to give a shout out to this guy here. Now, if you all remember from my Instagram and other crap, over the winter, I picked up another Toro Flex, but it wasn't mine. It was this guy here. It was QC Long Guy. He happened to have the gusto and bravado to go out and get a greens mower. Now, he's in Iowa, I believe, and I picked that mower up for him from an auction because he got it off of Gov Deals. Super cool guy, and what he's doing is absolutely amazing. So his Instagram is going to be down in the whole description box area for you all to check out. He is saying no to tall grass and go into short grass because that's how it's supposed to be for everything except tall fescue, because it can't grow short because it sucks. Let's get to fertilizing. That looks about right. Check this stuff out. 240 SGN, greens grade, super small. So yes, smaller prills, bigger thrills. Look at this, absolutely beautiful. Smells just wonderful. Neighbors are gonna love this tonight when everyone's in the cul-de-sac. Okay, there we have it. I dropped down some Fert for 4th of July weekend. Yes, I'm in another set of clothes because today is actually Saturday the 6th. Lots of things going on this weekend. Needed to be all over the place, everywhere. So this was split up across many, many days. That's how it goes sometimes. I do want to point out though, yes, I know X-GRN is not available to a consumer market, to DIY homeowners. As I said before, I'm extremely fortunate to be able to use this product right now. Hopefully one day it will be available to the DIY homeowner, but not right now unless I guess you want to buy a whole lot of it yourself. I'm not sure. You'll have to contact Carbon Earth to see if they would be willing to do that for you. But this brings up a really big point, something I want to talk about. Yes, I'm using Carbon Earth products in my yard. Yes, I'm using Next products in my yard. Everything that I put down in my yard is something that I see results from and I believe in. Should I do a review on a product, I will guarantee you 100% to where if I am able to make money off of that via an affiliate link, I will not link that product until it's something that I can say for 1000% that I would use in my yard and pay for myself. I will not link to you products that I personally do not use or do not believe in to make any money off of. And I just want to let you know and be straight with you, because I'm frankly the only one that shows the crap, the terrible parts of the yard. You know, there's other people with that, but I show all of this to you weekly. And so I want you to know everything I use is something that I believe in, and I will not recommend it unless I believe that it actually works. Any link that's down in my description, currently right now it's pretty much everything I'm using to make these films, because yeah, they're pretty neat products. They're doing their job and helping me learn, because video production and videography is kind of turned into a new hobby. Who would have thought? So those are there. If there's a product I use, like my garden edger or that yard butler, and I link it down there, it's because I use it and I love the freaking things. I wanted to bring that out because there's been a lot of stuff going on with all this, testing all this, testing all that. It's like, have I been using Carbon X exclusively this year? No, I haven't. You all know that. I use ammonium sulfate in a spray grade formulation that I buy from Rural King for about $11 for 51 pounds. I use some feature that gives me iron. I use what I need to use when it's needed, and that's as simple as it is. But this was my 4th of July weekend. We had a really good time. I wish I could have fit more stuff in to do, but I can't. I do have Sunday tomorrow, but that's going to be kind of editing and all that fun stuff. But that's okay. But I'm getting ready though right now to go put my swim trunks on. And that little fella back there, he's getting dunked. I'm tossing him way up in the air and he's going splashing down in the redneck pool, because that's how we have a good time. And then we're probably going to go blow off some more fireworks that I didn't set off the other night. I hope you all really enjoyed this. I will say the X-GRN spread fantastic. I'm seeing a result already after 2 days. You can see this here, and notice the hose is because I picked up some super cheap impact sprinklers that I'm testing to figure out, you know, something better than an oscillating deal back here. And we're going to report back on that, because I've been actually working on another one for the front yard. It's doing really, really well, and I just haven't gotten around to posting a review on it yet. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. I truly do. Going to be doing a giveaway soon. I have to figure it out, but what it is I'm going to give away 2 bags of Carbon X, so 2 50-pound bags. I got to look at the shipping logistics and all that stuff. I honestly will probably just order it from Allen, even though it's sitting in the shed, because that'll probably be cheaper than me paying UPS. We'll figure it out though. So that's coming very, very soon as I work out the legalese and all that fun stuff that YouTube changed with that. So if you like this, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, ring the bell if you want to know when I'm on next, And with that, man, I hope you all had a really fun 4th of July, safe, no fingers were blown off. You all got to reminisce with family, have a good time with friends, and, you know, just celebrate, you know, where we're at. Greatest country in the world. So, with that, Real Low Dad, have you all a fantastic evening.